Oh, ni shori. Stop. Hey, come here. Your father.
So, how many of you actually know say e-money gift Carterfe one brand new Toyota Corolla? You just dash Carterfe the car, and even Carterfe itself is still post the car for his social media or his social media platform. Post and even money still post the car too. Just yesterday for year. Peller and Carterfe, they also get small issue. Both of them. Because of that issue where they crash each other car. Carterfe, you break Peller car windscreen. Peller too, you see break Carterfe car windscreen. That car, where money dash Carterfe so. Because of that quarrel where Carterfe and Peller get to, Peller break that car windscreen. But the thing not this surprising, because the stage where Carterfe did for the stream is so, and so it reach there. Carterfe na very rough streamer, a very rough streamer. And so it reach that stage where did for the streaming. Even the ass will be say Oloro dash Carterfe make it they do streaming. When I not say as Carterfe, take scatter and rough the ass. Carterfe, the day where Carterfe even shock me. Now they say Carterfe carry cow malu, he carry nama enter stream. And carry cow enter stream. That the Carterfe shock me. Even sometimes if Carterfe say he will carry keke na pepe, enter that live stream. Keke na pepe enter the live stream. So why you call things okay? The car way money given so that car will call they different. You know, cost you rough the car like that. That one I just Carterfe lifestyle. Now so you told the go divide. Now so just to the go viral more. Carterfe now I can very rough streamer. Now so you stream me be. Now so just to the do it. So for that car show, they go fix her they go fix the car. And even the car where they say they crash I they come online and they say they make video, they post YouTube link. Go to my YouTube and see the video. Go to here and see the video. I say for car when I crash, that means everything I just content. I just content. Not say they won't crash the car. Now so that time, self, I they call this guy self. Not be